man, here we are. We're at Osaka Aquarium, Kaiyukan. I'm gonna trip out on this. I want to see what Japanese aquariums look like and how they care for their aquatic little animals here. So me and Cindy are gonna check it out. This is our tour group right here. All right. Turn around. Thank you. Cindy taking my picture. All right, I got him. All right, here we are. We're entering the museum, Earth, the Miracle Planet. Let's see. This place is known for their whale shark exhibit. Well, let's go take a look at that. That's the largest shark known in existence today. Here we are at the Osaka Museum Aquarium, Osaka Harbor. Hi, go inside. Oh, look at these cool guys.
And then there's these sharks that just kind of like sleeping together up there.
Look at this cool guy. Oh, look at this guys. Yeah, long body. Wow, those are little sardines up on the top. You know what is the difference between a stingray and a manta ray? Mantas don't have tails. Stingrays do. Right. There we go. Sure. This is the escalator to go up to the next level of this aquarium. Alright, this is supposed to replicate a Japanese forest. Wow. Yeah. Something different in Hawaii and in the United States. Normally they're gonna separate foliage and aquatics, but I guess because Japan is so, you know, it's you need a lot of room, bro, because Japan is tiny, kid. And these are the Asian small clawed otter and the oblong cinereus.
Oh, there's an otter?
Yeah, the otter. Yeah, we'll go. No, that's okay, that's okay. Go ahead. That's the Japanese giant salamander. He's right here.
Is that live or?
Hell yeah! Just stick your hand in there.
Is it live?
Yeah, live one. Right. Alright, look, they're grinding. Wow, they get fresh food, bro. They're hungry, bro. Check them out. They're grinding. Yeah, I got them. Wow, look at that grinding.
Oh, did you see Jerry?
California, Los Angeles, LA.
Where'd you go?
Yeah, they're coming, they're coming. They're gonna look up, you know, sometimes. Wow, the white one. The anteater. He's tired. This is the guy, he kinda looks like this. Yeah, that's it. The ring-tailed gold coatie. Wow. This is things found in Ecuador. And then iguana is up there, he's chilling. A lot of tetras, aquarium fish. A lot of tetras. Wow, this is a pretty big one. Oh, he's shooting off for me. Whoa, look at this guy. Beautiful scales. Oh, look at this tiny guy. Oh, this guy is tiny, man. There's one that kind of looks like a shark in here. Oh, you read them ice. What are they going to do with the ice? Oh, they like the cold.
Antarctica kind of
Environment. We go. Wow.
scary.
Different breed of penguin.
Look at that, so beautiful.
Yeah, the one with the yellow is a different breed.
All different species.
Yeah.
Wow, they're huge. Big ones. Look at that. But look, he's walking like an old man.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened?
He might be old.
Oh, maybe. Where are you going, guys?
Maybe older.
Oh, that's one. Oh, where'd he go? This side.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice shot.
Oh, they just fed him.
Oh, where are you? Turn around.
No, look at that. Wow, look at that stingray. That's a grouper. You see that down there, that big one?
Yeah.
That's a grouper. He swallows his prey whole.
There, that big thing right
It's a whale shark. It's the oldest and largest whale known, shark, or actually vertebrae, known to man. It can grow over 1,000.
Oh, the man's there.
Yeah, you're feeding them. Wow, look at this. This is the bull right here. Look at him. The mantle.
Oh,
He getting angry because they're eating before him. Yeah, he's getting angry.
Pretty yellow colors. Very straight ahead. This is fish. I don't know, he's sleeping. Sleeping fish. Sleeping. I think. And then what is this? All these tiny little things over here.
Remoras. They attach to sharks and other fish to clean them. Oh, that's so big. Whale shark.
Ah, the big guy. Wow. Whale shark.
Wow, there's two of them, look. Two of them in this thing. Oh, look at that. That is one beautiful manta. This is a manta. This is a manta ray. It doesn't have a stinger.
I want that big fish to come by again. I don't think it will though.
See the leopard shark on the bottom? The white one.
Yeah.
It's called a leopard shark. Wow, look at the cuttlefish, Cindy. That is one big cuttlefish. Wow, that's awesome. Look at that, it's almost like they're dancing. Their eyes light up too, you know. Oh, these are magnificent creatures. If you only knew how smart these guys are. It's unbelievable. Almost as smart as these guys right here. Look at that, they're playing. Oh no, look like knife, no? That's the best. Oh, look at this guy, bro. Ocean sunfish. Wow, this guy is freaking huge.
How come red when I try to take a picture? There's a red thing in here. What is SR? What's that?
มันชนยับไม้เนี่ยมันแบบโดนชนมา
Wow,
Oh, these are some nice jellies right here. We're in the jellyfish exhibit. There are over 1 million types of jellyfish in the world. This is just a small sampling of the Asian. I'm thinking these are Asian jellyfish. Because if there is over 1 million types, make the most sense to get them close as you can to you. Oh, these are the giant bell jellyfish. Oh, these are deep sea guys now. Oh, these are awesome. I love jellyfish. I don't like getting stung by them, but I sure do love them. I love jellyfish. Wow, look at this. This is a lot of jellyfish, bro. Wow, check it out. To give you a jelly belly. Come on, let's go. Okay. Oh, jelly bellies.
Lester, what is that, Lester?
Jellyfish.
Glenn, you look some open up.
These are the box jellyfish, the one in Hawaii.
The one we get sting.
Yeah, this is the Hawaii
Okay,
one.
we don't need to look at that then.
This is the Hawaii one.
5.5 Celsius. What is 5.5 Celsius?
These fish live in this kind of water. That is very cold. It's the Arctic char. Salvinius alpinus. These guys like cold water.